So I'm finally done with my home office and here is the outcome. Don't you just love it? Because I do. But this is my office. And it's definitely a whole different vibe from the pink and bright colors. And I absolutely love it. Let's take a tour. So my home office is finally complete. I got the floors done, I painted, I updated some furniture in here. I did a little decoration, still waiting for a few little things, but overall it is home office now. I love it. It was pink in here. If you look at my previous 2 videos that I had transformed my own office, it was pink in here. The floors was brown. I had glass desks, like it's a whole different transformation. So here, I don't know, I just went with the black and I love it. So it feels a little more, how can I say it? But I do have my office separated to 2 different like sections because I do so much. I'm learning to code, so like one section is like my tech coding everyday thing, and my other section is like my craft area. But overall, it's everything that works for me, is functions right, and I love it. So let's take a tour. So let's start here. So the floors I got from Home Depot. They were pillow stick towels. I have this rug from Amazon. So mostly everything here is really from Amazon. If it was not from Amazon, I'll let you guys know. There is a my Amazon storefront is a link in my bio description. But here's my heat press machine, my to-do list. Of course, a picture of me. This is a picture of me when I was pregnant with my last and 5th child. So that's memories. But here's my heat press machine. I got her from Heat Press Nation. Shout out to all my crafters. Here's my Epson sublimation printer I use to sublimate my tumblers and t-shirts and other things for sublimation. I do have 2 kids that are in college, and it's their high school graduation pictures. I'm waiting for my third son. He's graduating in 2 years. So he's gonna go up there. The other 2, I got a couple of more years for them. Here are my degree, my college graduation caps. So I graduated from Barry University, and this is my bachelor's and my master's degree graduation top hats. So yeah. Also the Solo Star craft, I only used this one time, about $400 one time. I'm gonna try to sell it over the summer because I don't use it. I might try to use it. It's a little difficult with the blade. It's just a whole other story. But if not, my focus is really trying to sell this. I have my roller printer from when I shipped my items. I bought this, and maybe like 2 weeks later, I seen like the wireless one on sale. So I do want to sell this so I can get a wireless one. But if not, oh well. I can just plug it into my computer, my laptop. A picture of us in New York. This is my oven that I use for my sublimation tumblers. I did have a sublimation press, a tumbler press, but I sold it because I like it better in the oven. Even though it takes 5 minutes to do each cup, I still like it better in the oven. A laptop cutter. This board here, I had like my vision board pictures up here. I don't know if I want to put it back up there, like reprint it, or just add family photos and things like that, which I might do in this area because I love pictures. I did these here on my own. So obviously it says reflect, solve, create, grow, and think. And in gold letters you see the word learn. I am a Scorpio and I am a queen. So I actually made this in Mid-Journey. So if you do not have Mid-Journey, you need to get on it. It's like $10 a month. The cheapest plan is $10 a month. I have a $30 plan. You create any and everything in Mid-Journey. Like, I love it. I do have my other crafting channel that I am going to be doing like tutorials and stuff about Mid-Journey and things like that in Photoshop. Created by Esty. But yeah, I love it. And also he'll focus on your why. I put this here because a lot of times, and focus on you because baby, I come first. But focus on your why. I put that there because let me put it like open up lines. Sometimes I do get distracted. I do get encouraged. sometimes I'm just tired and I'm sitting at my desk. Sometimes I may cry a little bit and just be thinking. And like, you know, this is gonna be my reminder here is to focus on my wife. What is the reason why I'm sitting at this desk? What is the reason why I'm doing what I'm doing? Have I accomplished that goal? And, you know, just keep going. Like, don't give up. So that's basically just me telling myself, do not give up and keep going. Here is my chair I got from Sam's Club. It was like $100. I love it. This is my desk. I so love this desk, up and down. But this is my desk. I love it because sometimes when I don't feel like sitting down, my standing desk, I can stand up and focus, listen to my music, and keep going. Even if I want to sit down. And one thing I like to put my little baby up here. He's scared, but that calms him down. Put him up there and go up and down. But I know in a few months he may love it and go want to do it himself. But this is my Mac, in which my iMac and my MacBook Pro. Of course, my Bible over there in the corner. I have my microphone when I do some of my voiceovers. Amazon, pictures for my children. We gotta retake some because Legend is born now. I have 3 mouse because I have 3 computers. My iMac, my MacBook, and my Microsoft. I am a PC girl, but I'm getting kind of used to Apple products, but I'm a PC girl. But this is my desk. This is where I do all my coding, my regular work for my computer. And I'm thinking of updating this. I got it as pink. So cute. I got this pink one. But if I update to the computer that I really want, which is something is a wider screen, like 48 inches, I believe. And I want it for coding and for see so different mini screens. Like, I want to update it. But maybe I get this to my oldest daughter. But my boys use it. They need I don't know. But I made this, keep this for my craft there and have my other computer for my my coding and everything else, because listen, I do a lot. And I tell you I do a lot. Over here, it is Easter tomorrow. So here are my kids, 2 of them, because you know the other three is big. They're Easter baskets I made. I do have a video on it if you want to see how I did it. And I made these also. And this is my printer I use to make my party favors with. I love Epson products, like, it's the best. I got this from Target. It was $3. It's so cute. Easter bunny evidence. Now we know Easter is not about the bunnies, but kids love it. So that is a couple of things I got from Target. I have this white storage thing. I got that from IKEA. I have 2 actually. So I bought this from IKEA like over a year ago. You know, my crafting products right here, painting products and things like that. My Cricut machine. And I can't remember, maybe it was $100, maybe $100. And I got the bins from Target, of course, like $10, whatever. But these are my shipping products. I need to do this, my glitter thing. I bought this glitter like a year ago and didn't use it. But here are my Cricut maker machines. I have 3 of them, and here are 2 of them. And this is my friend who I lost like 2 years ago, almost 2 years ago, to breast cancer. And this is her Cricut machine that she was learning to use. So I'm going to use this mostly for my stickers. And I have put her name on here also. But I don't want to cry. So that was 2 of my machines here. Over here, okay, my office closet. So let me I put this in here. So here go my everyday printer. When I print out stuff, I am a notary and I just do loan signing. So this is the printout that I use, and everybody use that for their regular, everyday printing, scanning, whatever. This is my EcoSolver Epson printer, which is messed up, and I think I'm gonna try to convert it back to regular ink, because I'm gonna do party favorites in a larger size, because the other one is up to the regular letter size, and this is larger. So my goal this summer, because I'm off, is to take all this ink out. If I cannot fix it with the EcoSolver, take it out and use the regular ink, flush it out and use it, and that's where it works. So I'm gonna add more photos up here. Here's my vinyl storage, some sublimation products, my good old trusty hammers, t-shirts down there, things like that. Here is my, let me put it up some, crafting table. So here I do my crafting. Here's my main Cricut Maker 3 that I use, mostly for my t-shirts and other things. This is my first one I got for Christmas a few years ago. And that's my business, created by Esty. Of course, that's a me. And that's my light. I can't remember where I got that from. Not from Amazon, but I got that light thing. This is my desk. I just do my things here. My daughter's work we doing for her handwriting and spelling. That's about it. Like, oh, I got this stand from Amazon too. But this is the home office. I mean, I love it. It's definitely different. It's like a whole different vibe from the pink bright room I had. And oh yeah, I store also vinyl in here too, and tools and stuff like that. What else did I miss? Did I miss anything? No, that's about it. So this is the final result of my home office. So that was the tour, and only thing I kind of want to do now left here is just add more photos to my board. I do want to update my computer, because like you see, wait, when I get it, I'm gonna show you guys. But the other one I'm gonna use it, probably put it over here for mostly my design, Photoshop and Canva, things like that. Mid-journey, so I could just switch it up. I might get another chair here just in case, instead of using this little stool, this little chair thing here. And that's really it. Update my equipment, and that's it. So I love it. So this is the first room that I actually completed, from top to bottom, in my transformation house to home, redecorate, remodel, declutters, organization series thing here. And I did this one first because this is where I spend my time and this is where I make my money at. And I needed to have my space done before I do anything else. Now I'm on to my bedroom and my hallway. I think I'm gonna paint my hallway and stuff next. So if you like this transformation videos, I'm gonna do my whole house. I'm going to do my hallway, the kids' bedroom, my bedroom, bathrooms, living room, kitchen. I think I'm gonna do the kitchen next. Like, the hallway is really simple. There's nothing really too big to take days. I can take it one day. I already know what I'm doing, painting 2 colors, adding photo frames, and doing the floors. And actually, I'm gonna use the same flooring throughout the house. So, except the baby's room, I'm gonna add carpet in there. But the kitchen is gonna be the next big project, because I think that was another one that's you guys see the video, but I'm gonna do painting. I'm gonna add the knobs. I'm gonna do so much in there, and I'm gonna do it on a budget. So follow that series, follow that video, follow me for that, and see how I transform my house home. And the next one, my last one, I don't want to give too much, but my last one is definitely going to be painting outside of my home. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy my new home office, and let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more of these videos. Till next time, bye.